Brace yourself for chaos and precision colliding at full speed. Where the world's fastest firewood processors meet the most dangerous homemade chainsaws ever built. Let the madness begin. The Brutus 300 wood splitter is an absolute monster. It chews through 3-meter logs up to 60 centimeter thick like it's nothing. But the real show? That blade. It's sharp, strong, and insanely efficient. If you ever thought splitting wood was a pain, this machine will change your mind in seconds.
Hello YouTubers, we're at the steam show the next weekend. My show is splitting wood, so I thought you ought to see the way they use it.
There's just something special about bringing an old machine back to life. This vintage wood splitter isn't just equipment, it's a living piece of history. Every turn of that crank tells a story of grit and craftsmanship. Let's fire it up and feel that raw mechanical soul again.
Okay.
Now this one's a total game changer. You'd never guess this vertical wood splitter was homemade. It runs so smooth, it feels factory built. Quiet, powerful, and oddly satisfying to use. Splitting wood for the family just got way easier. His overconfidence almost cost him dearly. What I like most is how balanced it looks. Every gear and blade seems perfectly timed. You can tell there's some serious thought behind that 30-degree sharpening. It's not just power, it's control. Here's a surprise. It's not just about brute strength. This homemade splitter runs on an 8-kilowatt motor spinning at 1440 RPM, powerful yet refined. It makes splitting smoother and faster than you'd expect. Sometimes, finesse beats force. Designed with ergonomics and efficiency in mind, this homemade wood splitter is perfect for hobbyist foresters. It ensures precise log splitting while minimizing physical strain, combining innovation with practicality for a safer and more effective solution.
You gonna do it again?
You wouldn't expect a homemade splitter to look this cool. Every strike lands clean, sharp, and rhythmic. It's almost hypnotic to watch. What starts as hard labor turns into a performance of pure precision and power. Meet La Belle Bouche, premium Swiss firewood from Chenou's Bois de Feu Sarl. Sustainably sourced from the Vaud region and Cobb's certified, it's kiln-dried to perfection with 12 to 18% moisture for maximum heat. You can pick it up, get it delivered in bulk, or order neatly stacked pallets. Swiss quality, straight to your fireplace. The HAECT 6100 is an absolute powerhouse. It rips through huge logs like they're nothing, all while saving you time and effort. Strength and efficiency in one solid package. Stop working harder. Start working smarter. A homemade bandsaw utilizing a motorcycle engine is a brilliant fusion of power and efficiency. After months of inactivity, the successful ignition proves the reliability of the build. This setup not only maximizes engine output, but also ensures a smooth cutting process, making it an innovative approach for high-performance woodworking. What if I told you there's a wood chipper that could make your wood processing dreams come true? With a 4.4 kW diesel engine, it's not just any machine. It's a powerhouse that'll change the way you think about cutting and chipping wood forever. I had high hopes for the Solomat. At first, it was cutting through small pieces like a dream, way smoother than a jigsaw. But 5 hours in, screws loosened, the blade and guard fell off, and suddenly, I was questioning the whole build. What a ride. Why settle for average when you can supercharge your saw? With this 5.5 kW three-phase motor, every cut feels effortless. Whether you're running it manually or automatically, it's all power, all precision, all the time. The Vardy hydraulic splitter makes chopping wood simple, even if you've never done it before. Its smart design does the heavy lifting, so you don't need brute strength. It's the go-to tool for anyone who wants reliability and ease in one clean package. This wood splitter is already a work of engineering art. But here's a pro tip. Reshape the blade into a cross pattern. That small change boosts speed up to 4 times. More power, less effort, pure genius. I once saw a loader with a wood-splitting head that measured each log before cutting. Every split was perfect, like slicing bread. The precision was unreal. It turned a tough job into smooth, calculated work. There's something beautiful about old machinery that still works perfectly. This classic sawmill may be decades old, but its mechanics are spot on. It's simple, sturdy, and reliable, proof that true engineering never ages. Just when you think you've seen it all, this homemade wood chipper pulls off another flawless run. The second test proves it's only getting better, constantly evolving into a true masterpiece. If you're dealing with yard waste or overgrown brush, this branch chipper is your new best friend. Its high-torque blades slice through thick branches with ease, turning cleanup into mulch-making magic in no time.
Так, видно, блядь, обалденно.
Who would have thought a homemade saw spinning at 3,000 RPM could rival pro-grade tools? But here's the catch. No wheel locks means one slip, and things get chaotic fast. Sometimes, The smallest feature makes the biggest difference. Wow, watching this foot-controlled log splitter in action is surprisingly satisfying. I love how effortless it looks. No bending, no complicated handles, just a simple step to get the job done. Makes me wonder why more people aren't using this, especially if you want efficiency without the strain. Truly clever. It's funny how a simple task like splitting firewood can suddenly feel exciting. Watching this machine work makes you realize how much smarter tools have become. Less waste, more speed, and it seems almost effortless. Makes me think about how much time we could save with gadgets like this around. Got an ugly stump in your yard? No problem. This stump drill turns it into mulch in under a minute. No yard damage, no fuss. Just clean, reusable wood chips that help your garden thrive.
RSD Outdoors. I hope I got that channel name right. Wood in here, and then this bar slides out right in here.
Inspired by RSD Outdoors, this homemade firewood packer takes things up a notch. The builder walks you through every step and shows off how it beats traditional methods. And with future upgrades, like bigger wrap sizes and adjustable height, it's only getting better from here.
Underneath there, and then pull it out. And you just pull that out. This is a 6-inch stretch wrap. What? So, this part here would be, I'm contemplating about getting a 12-inch roll, which would solve that whole issue there, throat. So, let me know in the comments what you think about that situation. And they're selling for like $1,300, $1,500. The electrics, bunders, wrappers are selling for like.
The administrative journey into the world of homemade machines has to pause here. Leave your comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to catch the exciting content coming next.